This video will aid you in various common repairs needed on your Fisher and Paykel dish drawer. Other manufacturers use these drawers under different names like GE Monogram and KitchenAid. This is presented to you by appliancerepairlesson.com. Here we have a standard model 603 Fisher and Paykel dish drawer. The most common repair needed is replacing the rotor. Remove the wash arm and turn the center plastic locking nut. Now you can remove the stainless steel filter plate. You can now see your rotor, and you can grab it from the top, turn it to the left 1/8 of a turn, and it will pull directly up and off. Install the new rotor and reassemble everything in a reverse fashion. The rotor will often need to be replaced because the impeller on the bottom of it gets chewed up. This can cause either an F2 error code or it can cause the unit to run very noisy. Here we have the drawer as we're looking at it from the right side. There is a plastic pin that you can grab with needle nose pliers to remove. Removing this pin on both sides of the drawer will allow you to remove the front panel. Once the front panel is removed, you now have access to the control board as well as the dispenser. More commonly, you will need to remove the drawer entirely so that way you can access the components behind the drawer. Depress the tab and the drawer will pull out an additional 2 or 3 inches. Now you can lift up on the drawer and set it off to the side. Often the base pan will fill up with water. This will cause an F1 error code, so dry it out with a towel. The two most common reasons why the base pan will fill up with water is because the dishes were stacked too high in the drawer or the actuators have failed. You can go into diagnostics mode to check to see if the actuators are still functioning properly. To do this, press and hold the lock button and then the start button at the same time for 5 seconds. The display will light up, at which point press power and then the start button 3 times until it displays LD. Now you can press the lock button to activate the actuators. If the lid moves up and down effortlessly, you do not need to replace the actuators. For more video demonstrations as well as step-by-step tutorials, please go to appliancerepairlesson.com. If you'd like to try one of our other support options, such as forum support or live chat with a technician, just go to appliancerepairlesson.com.